So this is the top 10 PG set MBA colleges in Karnataka, and most of them you will see are in Bangalore. So I have also done a college course for them. For example, the PES University is the number one with respect to the cutoff, and it's around 200 through, so it closes very high, 213. And most of these colleges are also well-known engineering college, which I'm covering in the college review, for KCET, right? And I will cover the individual college video after this, which will have a complete review of that college with respect to infrastructure programs which are available in MBA, and then what are the cutoffs is here, and what are the placement pictures for those colleges. So please do subscribe and tune into this channel. So let's start with PES University 213, and it is definitely one of the best places to study. So, and followed by MS Ramaiah and RV, and which is 358, and the RV Institute of Management. So this is not the RV Institute of Technology and Management, which is the engineering college of RV group, but this is RV Institute of Management, which is based out in Bangalore but in Jayanagar, not in JP Nagar. It's in Jayanagar, right? So this college is third with 417, and BMS College of Engineering, which is again same as the MBA engineering college list, right? It is fourth rank, and Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, again a very reputed engineering college, fifth rank, right? Then so top five are also the engineering colleges in Karnataka, right? Well known. And the sixth is our MS Ramaiah College of Arts, same part of our MS Ramaiah group, but it's Arts and Science Commerce, where you can do MBA. 782 is the cutoff. Bangalore Institute of Technology, again a reputed engineering college, 1094. So up to 1000 rank, you 1094, you can get up to this college. And then the third college in the or the second college from the Dayanand group, which is the Dayanand Sagar College of Arts, similar to MS Ramaiah College of Arts and Science. This is the Dayanand Sagar College, and 1318 is the cutoff. It's also based in Bangalore. RNS Institute of Technology, a very well-known engineering college. Again, I have covered a lot of videos. Now I'll cover those colleges from MBA perspective, MTech perspective, and MCA perspective. So again, 9th rank, and 10th rank is the MS Ramaiah University of Applied Sciences, MSRUAS, which call, and I will cover the video for placements for this through MBA, and this is a 10th rank. So these are the top 10s which you can get if your ranking is within 1700, right? Then you can expect these colleges. Let's move to the 11th rank. So this, up to this, everything is in Bangalore. You have seen 11th rank is JSS Science and Technology University. It is in Mysore, and this is also one of the top engineering colleges they have. And 2000, up to 2000 rank, you can get into this college. IFM Bangalore. Now this is not the engineering college. This is a pure play MBA college, management college, and it has cutoff is 2166. It's a very good college, and it's based out of Bangalore in Electronic City, and this is a good option. Now the Dayanand Sagar Academy of Technology and Management. So same this is the same engineering college which where you have BTech courses, and it is also good college based out of Kanakpura Road in Bangalore. New Horizon College of Engineering, and this is their ENT program, and that's the cutoff is 2624, based out of Bangalore. JSS Science and Technology University, same as rank number 11th. This is rank number 15, but this is program in corporate finance specific, and that cutoff is little bit lower, that is around 2600. Annapurna Institute of Management. Now this is the college. You have got only one college before this, which was out of Bangalore, which was JSS. Now this is the second college out of Bangalore, Annapurna Institute of Management, which is in Belgaum, and cutoff is around 2600. Dayanand Sagar University, same third college, now DSATM, and now Dayanand Sagar University, based in Hosur Road, 2704 is the cutoff. So good option. Christ Academy of Institution of Advanced Management Studies, 3000 is the cutoff in Bangalore. It's a quite reputed college. I'll cover the complete video review of these colleges after this review. Then, and you see the college code, so you don't confuse with them, right? University of Mysore, right? The Faculty of Management Sciences, and 3180. So up to 3000 you can get up to this this seat, right? And Acharya Institute of Management and Sciences in Peenya, 3200. So these are the top 20 colleges, right? But if your ranking is beyond 3200, then you still have a very good options. I'll cover further. So this is from the rank 21 to 30. So a very popular college and top level Indian college, right? SKVMS, Narsi Monji Institute of Management. So they take through many modes of admission, and they are some more very reputed college. But now for this purpose in PG set, its cutoffs are low, so that's why you see it as a 21st position. But otherwise, this is a very good college, and it's a very popular college, based out of Mumbai, and it's a Bangalore branch, right? Next is 22nd is an NMAM NITI. So this is again the based off on NITI, and it also has an engineering college, very popular, I think 200 NRF ranks, right? And this is the KLE Society of Management Hubli, 4000 ranks. You can get that. KIET, another institute in Hubli, up to 4092. This is the second course of New Horizon College of Engineering, which is called which is MNT, and this college you can get around 4200. So, and then again so you see many of these are the engineering colleges, but many of them are now pure play MBA colleges like Narsi Monji, or for that matter Christu Jayanti, right, which is the next rank, right? So Christu Jayanti College of Management and Technology, 4300, quite good college. Reva Institute of Science and Management, 4300. JSS Academy of ATE, right, in Bangalore, which has their engineering college, that also is a quite good college, 4300 is the cutoff. Acharya, this is the second college of Acharya. In the previous you saw the one in Pinia, this is one in Magadi Road, and it is called ABBS, right, Acharya Bangalore B School. So 4500, so up to 4500 you can basically get this good options, and these are within top 30 from the cutoff perspective. Now coming to the next list, from 31 onwards. So KLS Gokte, Belagavi, right? So this is again the same. You have engineering college part of this group also, right? And Canara Bank of School of Management, which is in Bangalore, 4500. You can get it. And now this is a pure play college, and so up to this college, up to say 32 rank, you are seeing everything is in the is more of a private sector, right? Now this is the first institution in this, which is a government college. So government RC college in Bangalore, 4500. And so that's it says that government college quality wise, those are not so good, and that's the reason all private colleges are best in terms of MBA, right? And you see there, so 4500 is the SIT Tumkur, Siddhganga, 4760, and the Reva University, again a very reputed college in terms of engineering also, because it's picking up, it's a new. And Acharya Institute of Technology also, this is new and picking up. For MBA it's 4900. So up to 5000 you can cover 435 top institutions, right? Now moving for 36, and then moving is the Vidyavardhaka College of Engineering, again engineering college, right? So 5600 close to. Jawaharlal Nehru New National College of Engineering, right, in Shimoga, that is around 6000. And Jyoti Nivas College for Women, so this is basically a science and the arts and the commerce college, so this has MBA faculty, and 6000 is the cutoff, and this is for women's college, right? So you should note it down. And then Niti Meenakshi Institute of Technology, again the reputed engineering college, 6100 is the cutoff for this college. So ranking is 40th, so we are up to 40th. And then there's a last slide, right? Yeah, and this is basically where we go from 41 onwards, and the institute is Kasauli Institute of Management in Dharwad, 6000 is the cutoff. Presidency in Bangalore, 6200. Global GIMS it's called, and 6200. Canara Banks, this is a part-time course, 6200. And Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Technology, another reputed engineering college in Bangalore, right? So this also has MBA faculty, and you can see cutoff around 6500. SDM CET Dharwad, again a reputed engineering college, 6500. SECAB in Bijapur, 6500. BNM IT in Bangalore, also same rank, 6522. And then 49th is the CMR Center of Business. They also have a CMR University, right, and business and other courses. And the last I'm covering is the 50th rank college. So these are the top 50th rank, which is a Mangalore University, college of, so part of a university. So you see from this, most of the institutions, around 48 of them are private engineering college, private colleges. Some are part of pure play MBA colleges. Some are part of engineering colleges, and two of them are the government side, which is the Mangalore University and the other one, right? So hopefully friends, you have now got the details about the cutoffs for the top 50 college, and it was helpful. So I will also publish the results when it's out. I think it will be there in 1 week's time for the PG, CET, MBA results, and I will show the cutoff for this year. And also I will cover the video review of each of these colleges, so that you have a complete placement view, college infrastructure, as well as the academic view of this college. Thank you for watching, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to this. You will get a lot of good videos, and thanks for watching it. Take care.